Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 mirror dash cams for safe driving, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Bluavido 12-inch car rearview mirror dash cam. The Bluavido 12 rearview mirror dash cam is an advanced 4G Android 8.1 device featuring GPS navigation, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. It offers a high-quality video camera recorder with remote monitoring and DVR functions, ensuring safety and convenience on the road. The advantages of this dash cam are integrated GPS navigation and 4G connectivity, large 12-inch touchscreen for easy operation, remote monitoring capabilities. The disadvantages of this dash cam are requires a constant internet connection for full functionality. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. DDPI Mini 5Z40 N3 Pro and 1 Dual Dash Cam. This DDPI dash cam includes models like the Mini 5, Z40, and N3 Pro. It features dual camera recording with a high-quality mirror design, and it comes with a charging cable for convenience. Ideal for recording every angle while driving. The advantages of this mirror dash cam are dual camera setup for front and rear recording, compact design and easy installation. Includes charging cable for uninterrupted use. The disadvantages of this mirror dash cam are limited software features compared to Android-based systems. No built-in GPS. At number 3. HGDO Rearview Mirror Dash Cam 3-in-1. The HGDO Rearview Mirror Recorder offers 3-in-1 functionality, including a full HD 1080p camera, an anti-glare blue mirror, and a car DVR system. It provides a clear and safe view during both day and night driving conditions. The advantages of this mirror dash cam are anti-glare blue mirror for better visibility, full HD 1080p video recording for clear footage, easy installation with a sleek design. The disadvantages of this mirror dash cam are limited resolution compared to newer models, no Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. 4.3-inch driving recorder dual lens dash cam. This 4.3-inch driving recorder is a dual lens car DVR with front and rear camera recording in 1080p resolution. It features an IPS screen, providing a wide viewing angle for safe and clear video recording during driving. The advantages of this mirror dash cam are dual lens for front and rear view recording, compact 4.3-inch size for minimal obstruction, affordable option with good video quality. The disadvantages of this mirror dash cam are small screen size may limit ease of use, no advanced features like GPS or Wi-Fi. At number 1. K50 AI Screen 4G Android 13 dash cam. The K50 AI Screen dash cam features the latest 4G Android 13 system, offering CarPlay, Android Auto, and GPS. It has Bluetooth, AUX, and FM functionality, making it an all-in-one rearview mirror video recorder for a seamless driving experience. The advantages of this mirror dash cam are latest Android 13 OS with CarPlay and Android Auto, GPS, Bluetooth, and FM capabilities for added convenience, 4G connectivity for remote access and live updates. The disadvantages of this mirror dash cam are high price due to advanced features,